Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're just going to talk about the Atlanta Blade Show. We're also going to talk about the Ellaville Knife Show. And we're also going to talk about some knives that I want to buy at the Atlanta Blade Show. But I'm also going to be giving away this knife right here. Y'all remember I repaired this knife. It was sent in to me, and it had a broken pin here, and I replaced this pin, and I reprofiled that blade here. But we're fixing to go to the random comment picker website and pick a winner real quick on this knife. Then we're going to come back and talk about the knives that I hope to buy at the Atlanta Blade Show. And then I'm going to tell you about the Ellaville Knife Show event knife. We're going to actually be able to sell some of those before the show. So that's good news. So anyway, let's go over here and pick a winner for this knife, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, here we are here at the YouTube Random Comment Picker website. I've already pasted the address, the URL up here, and we're fixing to fetch all the comments. I'm not going to include replies. That might be me. We have picked 304 comments. Fixing to pick a winner. Good luck to everyone. Robert Thomas. Hawk bills are my favorite, along with Warncliffe blades. You did a nice job on that queen. Hoorah. Well, Robert Thomas, buddy, if you will, send me an email at knifeproxx@gmail.com, knifeproxx@gmail.com, and give me your shipping address, and I'll get this out to you next week after I get back from the Atlanta Blade Show, buddy. Congratulations, Mr. Robert Thomas. Congratulations, Mr. Robert Thomas, again. Great knife, man. Great knife. Can't wait to get this out in the mail to you. I'm getting some stickers in next week too. I can't wait to get those in. I'll be sending you some of those as well. So, and I've got some envelopes that I've gotten wanting some stickers. So I'll be getting those out in the mail next week as well. The sticker's going to be a little bit smaller this time. I've been doing a 5x3. That's a little too large, so it's going to be a 3x2. And there's also a surprise sticker. I'll be sharing that with everybody next week. I'm going to start putting my stickers up on Whatnot. And you can buy those if you want to, but I will be giving some away along the way as well. So that's where my stickers are going to be. But there's a surprise sticker that's coming. I can't wait to share that with y'all. I got an idea from a subscriber. So very cool. But anyway, guys, the knives that I want to buy at the Atlanta Blade Show, there's a few Bear & Son. This one right here, guys, it's the 4.5-inch locking Warncliffe blade. It's $95 here. I'm hoping to get it a little cheaper up there. They said they will have some of these. But these are good-looking knife. Let's see what options are. You got the blue Jim McCarter and black G10. I'm probably gonna go with a black G10, but we're gonna check this thing out. We're gonna see what the specs are. We got blade material D2 steel. That's a good hardy steel. Handle material G10 McCarter. Overall length 7 7/8. That's a big knife. Blade length 3 1/8 inches. Weight 3.6 ounces. Pretty light too. Lanyard hole, which I love, and a pocket clip. Made in USA. So that's one of the knives I want to buy, but I want it in the black version. I think I'm gonna hold them each up there, but that's one of the knives I want to buy from Bear & Son. There's another one. I think it is the officer carry. Right here, 99 bucks. See that right? But I want the serrated blade. Don't that thing look really good? See if I can't get you zoomed in here. See that right there? It's got the serrated blade, Black Hawk USA. D2 steel. That thing looks good to me. Love that blade. And the blade material. Here is D2 steel, handle material aluminum. Overall length 7 inches. Blade length is only 2.5 inches. Weight 2.8 ounce extras. Pocket clip. Origin USA. I'm gonna look at that one. I didn't realize the blade was that short. 2.5 inches long. We'll look at it. But I'm thinking about buying that one as well from Bear & Son. It's a great looking knife though. And the other one is the 778 SR. Look that up. Right here. So you got this partially serrated blade. Here's the specs on it right here. Get you zoomed in, Sean. You got blade material 440 stainless. You got handle materials Oddtail open link. This is just a good user, guys. Nothing really special about it, but
Bear & Son Cutlery introduces the Bear & Son 4.5-inch Zytel Sideliner, the perfect tool for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and hunters. Made in Alabama, this knife reflects over 3 decades of Bear & Son's renowned craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail. The Bear & Son 4.5-inch Zytel Sideliner features a 3 1/4-inch 440 stainless steel blade with black oxide finish and available in both plain and partially serrated options.
I like that all black.
Each blade undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure a razor-sharp edge, guaranteeing durability and cutting precision. Whether using the flipper or thumb stud, the blade deploys smoothly on ball bearings, and the liner locking mechanism ensures a safe and reliable use. Designed with comfort and control in mind, the Zytel handle provides an exceptional grip even in wet and challenging conditions, and the stainless steel pocket clip allows for a convenient and secure carry. With an overall length of 7 1/4 inches, this pocket knife strikes the perfect balance between size and versatility. Ideal for camping, hiking, and hunting, the Bear & Son 4.5-inch Zytel Sideliner is a reliable companion that delivers the performance you demand.
Hoorah, USA. But that's one of the knives that I want to get too, guys. A very cheap knife, a user knife. That's what I want. We're going to get that. So the 3 knives that I want to get, guys, is this knife here. It's got a mid-lock. That's what I like about it. And it's got a 1-cliff blade. I like that. I'm gonna choose up there. I'm gonna see how, if I like that. I really like that McCarter, but I just don't care for the blue. I like the black, but I really don't like G10 all that much. But I'm gonna get the feel of each knife. And then the other one, guys, is the officer carry. Right here. Right there. I really like it. I didn't realize the blade was so short, only 2.5 inches long. But I'm gonna get the feel of it while I'm up there. And then the 4.5-inch Zytel Sideliner, they're calling it, with flipper. Can't wait to see this one up close. But this is just a great user of a knife. I want to try it out. It just looks good to me. But we're going to check it out up there at the Atlanta Blade Show. And then the next one, guys, next knife I'm going to be buying from Tops Knives. I don't know what I'm going to buy yet, but we're going to be looking at them. I kind of want a folding knife. But let's go over to Survival. New knives. Let's look at the new knives. Yeah, these are just way too big. Check that one out though. That's the El Chete Mini. I have the El Chete, the huge one. Let's look at this one. I might be buying this one. Is that not cool or what? I have to check that out when I'm up there. It's $185. Hopefully it's cheaper at the show. Well, that's pretty good. I got the El Chete, the large one. I got it from Mr. D.I. Dave the last time. Look at the specs on this. Fixed blade, overall length is 8.5 inches long, or 8.75. 550 blade length, cutting edge, midnight brown, green canvas micarta. I like that. Kydex belt loop. Didn't even know they made this. I can't wait to check it out, but that's how you carry it right there. Huh. Let's see what else I got. I was hoping to see, what's this right here? Honorably discharged. Ooh, I like that. See that right there? Come and hiss. Wow. I'm trying to look for EDC. Let's see. That might be the folders. The fixed blades, check that out. 3 bros. This one looks like a good knife right here. I think that's got black canvas micarta. I'm looking for a folder. I know I've seen some. Check them out. Wow, 120 for that. That's a cool little fixed blade. Baghdad box cutter. Look at that one. It's got a bottle opener up top. That's wicked. Bartender Defender. They got some cool knives. Then there's one right here, Bartender Defender. This is extra large. This is a smaller one right here. Right here. Well, these folders. Yes, they are. How about that? It's a good looking knife. I'm just going to wait to get up there, guys, and decide. That's a MSF, which is green, now in L-Max. That's a good looking knife too. Specs, folding knife, overall length 7.5, blade length 3.25 inches, blade steel L-Max. Never heard of that.
L-Max is a high-end powder metallurgy stainless steel known for its excellent balance of wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. It's a popular choice for knives, especially for applications requiring high performance and durability.
OD Green G10, I like that. I might have to get that one. It's probably gonna be a little bit cheaper up there. So cannot wait to get up there and get a hold of that right there. Love it. Okay guys, and the other knife that I'm wanting to buy is a Para 3 light. Para 3 CPM, Para Military 2. There's a Para 3 salt. I can deal with that too. There's a Para 3 lightweight salt. I don't want, oh, there it is right there. It's either this one or that one. I really like that lightweight brown right there. Para light. I really like that brown. I like the earth tone right there. Notify me when available. I'm hoping they're going to have some of these at the show. But that's what I want. I want a Para 3 lightweight is what they call it. It's got CPM steel. Para 3 max. Wow. Para 3 lightweight. I don't like that color. There we go. Is that black? I don't like all the serrated. With there's a plain edge. I like that right there. Kind of like the all black. Anyway, the pair 3 lightweight is what I'm wanting to buy up there. So that's 4 knives or 5, 1 with tops, and I want to check some of those out at Bear & Sons. I'm gonna buy one or two of the ones that I showed you, and that's what I'm looking for. Now there might be something else that catches my eye up there. It always does, but we'll see. And guys, I'm also wanting to buy a case knife with a 25-cent or 50-cent tang stamp. I'm looking for these two to have here in my knife shop. There's from 1935 to 1940. They also made one that I don't see up here that's got $1.25 on it as well. So I'm looking for them 3. But I'd rather have the 25-cent one or the 50-cent one. So we'll see. Well, guys, those are the knives that I know I'm going to be looking at the Atlanta Blade Show. And I know there's going to be a million knives up there. There's got to be. There's got to be a million knives. As big as that place is, and many knives that them companies are bringing. There might be a case knife that I might look. I'm mainly going to look in that old section, but the newer stuff, I want the paramilitary or the para 3 lightweight. Then I want a couple of them Bear & Son knives I showed you, and I want a tops knives, just simply because they sent me this here. I love that 4.0 cut combat utility tool. Been wearing it every day, guys, and I absolutely love this knife. I really do. Canvas micarta right there. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Love that ring too. Man, it's nice. But I just want to stop by there and thank them for the knife. And I'll be doing some field tests on this here in a few weeks. Testing it out. Stabbing some stuff. It's going to be cool. But those are the knives I'm looking for, guys. Me and Val, we're going to leave today. But again, I'm going to be up there at the Bear & Son booth from 1 to 3 on Friday. That's June the 6th from 1 to 3. Mr. Ken's also bringing me the Ellaville Knife Show knives, so I can't wait to see those in person. And but I'm gonna be selling some next week, or they'll be on Whatnot in a week or two. I'm also gonna be having a Whatnot auction here in a week or two. There might be a few on there. I might sell the first 1 or 2 on there, and then put them out for sale. So I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll play it by ear. But anyway, the next few weeks you'll be able to buy an Ellaville Knife Show knife, and then we're gonna plan to have 100 at the Ellaville Knife Show. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great, guys. Well, guys, that's all I've got for today. We're getting ready to leave here. I've got to run to Americas, get some things done, and come back. And we plan on leaving here sometime in the late morning hours, because we really can't check into like 3 or 4. So, but we want to be up there by 4, because that's when the traffic is already crazy in Atlanta anyway, but it really gets crazy at 4 o'clock when everybody's starting to get off work. So anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I just want to say God bless y'all. Until we meet again, guys, it's going to be at the Atlanta Blade Show. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. Guys, we're here at Ace Hardware in Montezuma, Georgia. We're going to see if they got any case knives. Hey, buddy, I appreciate it. Hey, thank y'all. See you, okay?
USA made, fixing those springs, handles repair, they shine and they sing. Free markets, pawn shops, antique stores, searching for treasure, always room for more. With Wade and Eric, Lamar and Glenn,
this is the box.
we talk and trade where the stories never end.
This is that box.
From rusty
I'd rather have that one because this is a 15.
polished clean, we bring them back, fulfill their dreams. Latest porch in the heartland, USA pride. We're the knife doctor, can't be denied.